I will never trust my doorbell again after learning this simple fix. If your Eufy doorbell isn't catching motion, you're definitely not alone. Here's how to wake it up. Fast. First, double-check that your motion detection is actually turned on in the Eufy app. It sounds basic, but sometimes settings can get switched off by accident. Next, make sure your doorbell's camera isn't blocked by dirt, cobwebs, or even a sticker. Give the lens a gentle wipe. Sometimes that's all it takes. If you're still having trouble, check the motion sensitivity setting in the app. If it's set too low, your doorbell might ignore all but the most dramatic movements, like a parade of elephants, not your mail carrier. Also, look at your activity zones. If these are set up too small or pointed at the wrong spot, the camera might not see people walking up. Wi-Fi connection matters too. Weak signals can make your doorbell lag or miss motion altogether. Try moving your router closer or using a Wi-Fi extender. And don't forget to update the Eufy app and the doorbell's firmware. Updates fix bugs and improve how your device works. If none of this helps, try restarting the doorbell or contacting Eufy support. Sometimes a quick reboot is all it takes, so before you give up on your Eufy doorbell, run through these steps. Chances are, you'll have your motion detection working like new.